Hello everyone and welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we're going to see about the range function. So this range function is used in many programs. So this is the range function that we're going to see. So this range function is used in many programs and even for the loops like the for loop that we'll be discussing in the upcoming lecture. So now I'm going to show you how this range function works. So let me take an example. Let the variable name be n, which depicts numbers, and now I'm going to give list, which is list of. So you might wonder, what is this list of? So inside this I'm going to give this range function. So you might wonder, what is this list of? So let me explain that first. So you might have learnt this, converting a string to an integer. So whenever you want to convert something to an integer, you'll use this, which is int of. So likewise, I would like to convert it to list. So I'm using this list of. So that's all about this. This is a small concept. So I'm using list of, and now I'm going to give this range function and I'm going to give a value. Let me give a value of 10. So let me print n, and now let's check the output. So right click, run, and there you go. As you could see, it displays the numbers from 0 to 9. So actually the range consists of 3 arguments, and those are, so let me print it, so which is the start value, the end value, and one more, which is the step. So whenever you use the range function and inside these parentheses or brackets, whenever you give a number, it depicts the end value. That is, as you could see, it prints till 9. So why does it print till 9? Why can't it print 10? So it won't display the last digit, but it displays the values till 10. So if you want 10 to be displayed, you have to increase the value over here, which is 11. And now let's check the output. There you go. The values have been printed till 10. So now I'm going to give it a start value. So let me give a start value of, let it be 2. And now I've given the start value as 2 and end value as 11. Now let's check the output, and there you go. It displays the start value and the number before the end value. I hope you got an understanding of what this output about. So in this, it displayed the start value and the number before the end value. So now that's all about the start value and end value. Now moving on to the step. Here you might have a confusion. So let me give a step value of, let it be 2. And now above I have to change it like 2. So let's check the output, and there you go. Actually what this step is, so this step, the meaning of this step is, you can tell it difference, like if you check the difference that you might have already learned in series and sequences, so in mathematics. So if you take 4 minus 2, you'll get the value as 2, 6 minus 4, 2, 8 minus 6, 2, 10 minus 8, 2. So the basic definition of this step is difference. So this is all about this range function. So you can use even some other numbers. So it's not compulsory that you have to use all these 3 arguments. You can even use a single argument. So let me display 100 values. So let's check the output. And there you go. It has displayed a list of 100 values, starting with 0 and ending with 100. Since I've used 101 over here, it displayed till 100. So I hope you have got an overview of what this range is. We'll be using this in the future programs, like even for loops, we'll be using this range function. So that's all about it, guys. This is the main functionality of this range. You can display as many numbers as you want. So that's it for this lecture. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.